comes time to offload some of the information from your data loggers, you're going to want to connect to the ones that are within range. So we'll connect to the first one, which is the conference room, by tapping on it. And it's going to go out and connect to the logger. From here, underneath the actions, we're going to select readout, at which point it's going to offload the data. It's then going to verify it, generate what we call a mini graph, and tell you that the readout has been successful. Now at the bottom you're going to notice that there's the data files and the number 1 just showed up. This indicates that you now have a new file. And we'll just go ahead and redo this here to show you that now you have the number 2 that's come up. So after that, we want to take a look at our graph. We're going to come down and tap on data files, at which point we disconnect from the data logger. And now we're looking at the mini graphs that we've generated here. So we've got a number of them. But what we'll do is go ahead and tap on the first one entitled Conference Room. And what this will do is generate the larger graph. Sometimes it's a little easier to go from the portrait to the landscape mode. It's a little easier to look at. Now there's a couple things that you can do right here within the graph. By holding down on one of the data traces with your finger, you're going to see that the crosshair tool comes up, and you can just kind of take this and slide this along. So if there's a specific point you want to see what the time was, as well as in this case the temperature reading was, or if you want to come over to humidity, you can see what the humidity level was. A few other things you can do: the 3 lines in the upper right hand side, we're going to tap on that. And let's say, for example, in this case we were doing statistics and we want to plot the max temperature, for example. We'll do the max and minimum, and we'll turn off the relative humidity, and let's throw dew point in there as well. And then we just come back, and what this does is it now generates a new graph. So as you can see, very quickly you can get in, do a little bit of analysis using the HOBOmobile app and the graphing features that are available.